In this video, we will show the best epilators in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Braun Series S5340 Silk-Epil Epilator. At number 2, Philips BRE20100 Satinelle Essential Epilator. At number 3, Braun Silk-Epil 77561 Wet and Dry Cordless Epilator. At number 4, Veet Sensitive Touch Expert Electric Trimmer. At number 5, Braun Silk-Epil 55541 Wet and Dry Cordless Epilator. At number 6, Remington Smooth and Silky Wet Dry Face and Body Epilator. At number 7, Braun Silk-Epil 9-558 Leg Wet and Dry Epilator. At number 8, Philips BRE630 Satinelle Advanced Epilator. At number 9, Epitome 3-in-1 Lady Wet or Dry Rechargeable Hair Removal Kit. At number 10, Panasonic S2058 Epilator. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.